XRP akan moon ke 50k USD kalau berjaya menang lawsuit dengan SEC. Cal sini dari Financial Fools. Kalau anda nak spot trade crypto dengan 0% fees, anda boleh buka account bybit anda dan claim welcome bonus sebanyak 30,030 USD. Bybit juga sedang mengadakan special event untuk Malaysians sahaja. So kalau anda orang Malaysia, anda mungkin berpeluang untuk dapat 60 USD bila anda trade dengan Bybit. Nanti saya akan cerita lebih di hujung video ni. Tapi untuk orang yang tidak tahu, XRP atau Ripple ialah syarikat yang mempunyai tujuan untuk melancarkan atau optimize global payments network. Alright. So XRP ialah token yang digunakan oleh syarikat Ripple. So Ripple ialah macam mother company. Tapi dalam video ni kalau saya sebut XRP atau Ripple, just understand that I'm referring to the same thing, which is the Ripple company as a whole. Alright. Okay, so itu ialah goal XRP. Mereka nak replace dan perbaiki global payment network. Kalau anda pernah dengar Swift, so Swift ialah salah satu global payment network yang terbesar di dunia. Dan Ripple ingin replace atau perbaiki sistem ini dengan menggunakan ripplenet, iaitu sistem network pembayaran Ripple. So that is their overall goal. So tengok video ni. Okay, ini dari CNBC.
Hey, Beeks.
Hey, Melissa, thanks for that. Yeah, so Brad had some interesting things to say, and I thought it was really important to break down what he's talking about and what the opportunity, at least that Brad...
Okay, so apa dia cakap di sini? He's explaining about the size of the payment market, which is what Ripple is trying to replace. So basically, the size of the payment market is
ultimately could be the bull case for
trillion.
Ripple. So let's break it down. Talking about the size of the payment markets, according to McKinsey, it's about $155 trillion is the size of the market. So your total addressable market is massive. Right now, if you take a look at what it costs to move $155 trillion, it's about $31 billion, roughly around 20 basis points is what it's costing you. So if using Ripple, and this is from Ripple stats, you could save about, according to them, about 60%. Well, how do they do that? So you use the Ripple ledger plus the Ripple currency. And that's the key to this 60% right here. The reason why using the Ripple currency, if people start doing this, is good for is the way you save, is because right now banks have to hold foreign currency everywhere in the world. They're called nostro accounts. It's very cost intensive to have that inventory around the world. They can simply replace that foreign currency with XRP and they can save a lot of money on that. So let's take a look at what Ripple's been doing. Obviously it's been down. I think we have a chart here.
Right, so dari video ni kita tahu the payment market is a $1 trillion market. Dan Ripple kata mereka boleh melancarkan or make this process smoother with the Ripple net. Okay, mereka boleh kurangkan kos sebanyak 60% untuk global payment network kalau Ripple net dan XRP token digunakan. Alright. But of course untuk capai goal ini mereka mesti ada partnership yang lebar dan mesti ada network dan connections yang berkuasa sebab mereka nak bekerjasama dengan syarikat-syarikat kewangan yang besar ni. Of course they need powerful connections, right? They need people within these companies to basically promote the Ripple network, right? So look at this video right here. This is by notfinancialadvice.crypto, alright?
Why do I hold
Watch
XRP? Because Ripple's the chosen one to lead the new global digital payment system, and they use XRP. In 2013, the Federal Reserve began looking for faster payments options. 2 years later, an action plan was born and a federal payments task force was created. It included one company focused on crypto. Ripple. In 2014, the World Bank and Better Than Cash Alliance, which includes the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Clinton Global Initiative, and the governments of 32 countries, put out a report called The Opportunities of Digitizing Payments. 1 year later, the Better Than Cash Alliance featured one crypto company on their website, Ripple. Today, Better Than Cash Alliance and all other UN initiatives are focused on a single agenda, the Sustainable Development Goals for 2030. You can see the SDGs logo on Bill Gates' lapel, world-leading companies, the Better Than Cash Alliance website, and on the UN's official exchange, Exchange. What crypto is Exchange officially utilizing for their carbon credit solution? XRP. The world will move to a new international standard for exchanging electronic messages between financial institutions by 2025 called ISO 20022. Who was the first ISO 20022 member focused on distributed ledger technology? Ripple. Who's partnered with over 300 financial institutions, including Bank of America, American Express, PNC, Santander, SBI, HSBC, Standard Chartered Bank, Bank of England, India, Singapore, Scotland, Australia, and Indonesia, the largest banks in Japan, Canada, Egypt, the Middle East, United Arab Emirates, Thailand, Morocco, Bhutan, South Korea, Brazil, and Latin America? Ripple. Who is a former employee overseeing the Federal Reserve? Ripple. A former employee overseeing the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock's digital asset division? Ripple. Leading Australia's CBDC effort? Ripple. Who hired a former Treasury of the United States? Ripple. 2 former Federal Reserve attorneys to their board? Ripple. 2 former Clinton and Obama advisors? Former Minister of Defense and Economics of Germany? Former business director at Swift? Former Swift board member? Former CFO of PayPal? Former head of the DTCC? Former chief business officer at Uber? Former VP of Amazon and former SEC chair on their legal team? Ripple. Who's a member of the Digital Pound Foundation, Digital Dollar Project, Digital Euro Association, Mojaloop, IMF's High-Level Advisory Board on FinTech, Hyperledger Blockchain Consortium, Open Payments Coalition, Faster Payments Council, Global Payments Steering Group, Cross-Border Working Group, International Association for Trusted Blockchain Applications, Crypto Climate Accord, University Blockchain Initiative, World Wide Web Consortium, and a featured partner of the World Economic Forum with 3 members of their team directly listed on the WF website? Ripple. Now, does Ripple and XRP sound like they're going to disappear, or do they sound like they're part of a much bigger plan? You decide.
Okay, so what do you think based on this video? Bagi pendapat saya, nampak macam Ripple sudah hantar minion mereka dan mereka sudah kumpul orang yang mempunyai influence. So it's like mereka sedang main chess dan semua piece mereka sudah set up untuk attack dan untuk checkmate. But the last hurdle is this SEC case. So tengok artikel ni. Bank of America waits on sidelines until Ripple versus SEC case settles. Right, so Garlinghouse ialah Brad Garlinghouse, CEO Ripple. Dia cakap basically bahawa banyak syarikat termasuk Bank of America, iaitu salah satu bank yang terbesar di dunia, sedang menunggu keputusan kes XRP ini. So kalau XRP menang kes ini, ada kemungkinan syarikat-syarikat kewangan yang besar ni seperti Bank of America or even central bank sedunia akan guna Ripple. Dan kalau ini betul dan mereka guna Ripple dan Ripple Network dan XRP token, mereka akan membawa lebih banyak utility atau kegunaan kepada Ripple dengan penggunaan CBDC or like stablecoin, sebab RippleNet akan digunakan oleh syarikat-syarikat kewangan sebagai sistem pembayaran seluruh dunia. So, itu saja membawa sangat banyak utility kepada Ripple. Alright? Dan ini akan melonjatkan harga XRP sebab ada penambahan utility dan sebab XRP akan diberi collateral or cagaran dari bank dalam bentuk simpanan dan debt, hutang. Okay? So, kalau ini betul-betul berlaku, ada kemungkinan harga XRP akan jadi sangat stable. Sebab dia telah diberi liquidity dan collateral oleh syarikat-syarikat kewangan terbesar di dunia. So, kemungkinan untuk harga XRP jadi sangat stable, it's possible. Maybe even XRP jadi stablecoin di tahap global, a global stablecoin. But ingat ni, video yang kita tengok tadi menunjukkan bahawa payments market ialah market yang $1 trillion yang digunakan oleh syarikat-syarikat kewangan terbesar di dunia. So, cuma anda fikir secara logik, untuk menggunakan, bukan menggunakan, untuk menanggung $1 trillion market ni, XRP mestilah mempunyai nilai yang stable, number one, dan nilai yang tinggi. Okay, cuba fikir. Kalau anda ialah sebuah bank, kenapa anda nak guna token yang mempunyai harga 10 sen, 30 sen, $1 dan yang sangat volatile? Kalau anda ialah bank, anda perlu hantar dan menerima berbilion dolar setiap hari atau setiap jam. So, kalau anda guna token yang mempunyai harga yang sangat volatile dan sangat rendah, memang proses ini tidak smooth, tidak cekap. Okay? So, for XRP to actually work and to be able to replace the global payments network, the price needs to be, number one, very high. Number two, stable. High and stable enough for the banks to see value and worth in using it. Alright? And that's why ada orang yang cakap XRP boleh naik kepada 500 USD, 10k USD, or even 50k USD. And if XRP jadi 50k USD, saya rasa ramai yang tengok video ni akan jadi jutawan. So kalau anda jadi jutawan XRP, jangan lupa DM saya dan belanja saya. Alright? Okay, so tengok video ini. Ini ialah Jimmy Valley, Managing Director dari Val Hill Capital. So Val Hill Capital ialah syarikat venture capital, and venture capital ialah syarikat yang invest atau memberi funds kepada startup baru. Okay? So tengok apa dia cakap.
So we've got global tax deals happening. We got global deals on principles for how they're going to, interact among each other with central bank digital currencies. And people really believe they couldn't come up with a price set for XRP. That's like not even hard to think
There's
about.
no logic there. It doesn't make sense.
If they do that, we believe the value would be higher than it was in September and October of 2021 when we were throwing out 25,037.5 a coin.
So it would be a higher price than the previous prediction.
Probably in the 50,000 now, I would think. We haven't brought the numbers down, but I'm just thinking about all the additional trillions of dollars that got pumped in to the economy.
The debt, yes.
The fact, the Fed right now is really the only participant in our economy. They're basically issuing all the money that's going into the big banks, and then the big banks are selling, and the hedge funds are selling their crap fucking debt.
Yeah.
Sorry, can I on this?
Absolutely. Go ahead.
They're selling their crap
All the time.
debt back to the Fed, and the balance sheets going parabolic.
Yeah.
Okay? So guys, first of all, remember, semua ni ialah speculation.
This was the
This is not, ini bukan financial advice dari saya, dan saya bukan tunjuk anda video yang ialah financial advice. Anda sepatutnya buat research anda sendiri. But for now, kita tidak tahu bila kes SEC dengan XRP ni akan tamat. We know that this could be the last hurdle for XRP to take over the global payments network, but we don't know when they will overcome this hurdle. Mungkin bulan ini, mungkin tahun depan, mungkin 2 tahun dari sekarang, kita tidak tahu. So, we have to stay updated with the news. Okay? Okay, but for now, latest news untuk Ripple dan SEC. Mereka sedang push untuk tamatkan perlawanan ini secara cepat. Alright? So, the judge could grant either side a win. Either side meaning antara SEC menang atau XRP menang, tanpa perlu ada trial. So judge boleh tentukan begitu saja, or decide to narrow the issues that go before a jury. Okay, so basically mereka nak cepatkan proses ni, but we don't know how fast it will be. Macam saya cakap tadi, mungkin bulan ini, mungkin tahun depan, mungkin 2 tahun dari sekarang, kita tidak tahu. But again, stay updated with this news. So let's take a look at the charts. XRP USDT. Let's look at Binance. Okay, this is the 4-hour time frame. So of course, for now, XRP very cheap. It's at a high discount daripada peak of $1.9. Sekarang harga dia sedang hover, naik dan turun around 40 sen. Okay, so if we zoom in a bit, let's see 4-hour time frame. I would say it is trading within this range right here. Okay, so as usual, two ways, either up, either it breaks up or it breaks down. So kalau harga pecahkan support ni, the next level we're looking at is here and possibly here, which is the range low. Okay, here or here. Okay, about 33 cents. So this is short term. Alright, few weeks to a few months. Short term in if we're looking at the general bigger picture, including the SEC case. Alright, for bullish, of course, we want to see it break this resistance right here, and then it'll come up to potentially test this level right here, and possibly even up to here. Alright, so these are the plan A and plan B basically for XRP. Right now, it looks like it could be moving down, but there is some rejection around this area. We can see this wick right here, and we can see this green candle here. So we want to see a candle. Kita nak tengok candle dia close di bawah level ni, barulah kita boleh tentukan, okay, this is potentially a downtrend. Okay, so if it's downtrend, these are the levels yang kita nak tengok. If it's an uptrend, inilah level yang kita nak tengok. Alright, so guys, kalau anda ada 100 USD, 500 USD dan anda sedang fikir apakah kripto yang saya patut beli, ingat, any money you put into crypto, anggap saja dia burn. Jangan expect apa-apa pulangan, alright? Sebab crypto sangat volatile. Jangan masukkan duit yang anda tak sanggup loss. Okay? High risk, high reward. Remember, this is not financial advice. Tapi kalau anda ada extra duit yang anda boleh tutup mata dan buang, mungkin anda boleh buanglah kepada XRP. Alright. By the way, untuk orang Malaysia, saya nak bagi anda peluang untuk claim free bonus sebanyak 60 USD dari bybit. So event ini hanya untuk orang Malaysia sahaja. So kalau anda ialah orang Malaysia, tekan link di bawah, buka akaun bybit anda dan verify akaun anda dengan KYC, deposit minimum 100 USD, kemudian anda hanya perlu complete satu spot trade di bybit dan anda boleh isi borang dan claim 20 USD free. 20 USD lebih kurang RM100. So anda dapat RM100 free just for opening a spot trade, right? Dan kalau anda teruskan trade di bybit, anda mungkin berpeluang untuk menang lagi 40 USD berdasarkan trading volume anda. So info lebih lanjut di Telegram community percuma. Anda boleh tekan link di bawah untuk dapatkan info lebih lanjut dan untuk sertai giveaway daripada bybit. So guys, itu saja untuk video ini. Lagi sekali, nama saya Kyle. Jumpa anda di video seterusnya.